How to restore a deleted Wix website. So in order to restore a deleted Wix website, I have in here this particular sites option. You can go to there by clicking onto this all sites and you can find in here the site that you're looking for. Now, for example, let's try to delete a site right here. So let's try to delete this my site by clicking onto these three dots and then clicking onto this move to trash, which actually essentially deletes this. So do take note that sites will only be kept in trash for 90 days. And if you try to recover a site that's already been deleted around 3 months and up ago, then that will mean that you won't be able to recover it. So do take that into account. Now, since we have just deleted this site, we can just go over to this trash folder. And in here, you can see our site. I have in here this trash, which is less than a minute ago, and this site has just been added 3 months ago. You can hover to that site and click on this restore option that you can see right here in order to successfully restore it. So that's how you restore deleted Wix website. Hope we help.